I think we all have a desire to be the best version of ourselves. We are constantly seeking, searching, learning, refining, going within, changing, and growing. By taking healthy steps each day, such as meditation, yoga, adding elixirs, structural integration, and taking an action such as trying a vegan lifestyle or meal, you're reaching for a higher cause that will inevitably lead to numerous positive effects. This video offers an example of one day of many with plant-based meals my beloved and I shared. May it lend some inspiration into your day. We started our day with coffee and our spagyric alchemical elixir of the Anunnaki. Then I stepped outside for some fresh air and enjoyed morning meditation looking at the sun. I love doing yoga in the morning, so I recorded a new yoga class for my premium members over at artisticvegan.vhx.tv. You can sign up for a free trial today. It was a bit chilly this morning here, so we wanted something to warm us up. We had some black tea, and then I took some oats, cashew milk, cinnamon, chia seeds, raisins, and ripe bananas. Give it a stir, put a lid on it, and let it cook until it was done. Then I served it with some dairy-free milk on top, a sprinkle of cinnamon, a drizzle of peanut butter, and strawberry preserves. It was a wholesome, simple, and warming start to the day to light our inner fire. For lunch, I rinsed off some quinoa, toasted it for a couple minutes, then added vegetable broth, popped a lid on it, and once it was boiling, I added a basket with vegetables to steam. I put a lid on it and cooked it on low heat for about 20 minutes. Then I served it with some beans, the quinoa, the steamed vegetables, some tahini lime cheese for my book or my blog, a bit of soy sauce, or you could use tamari, some lime juice, pickled ginger, tahini, and a sprinkle of cayenne and black pepper. I adore simple meals like this. This is often how we eat. You can make extra quinoa and beans and use it for future meals. It creates a balanced meal in one place that's nutritious and satisfying without too much effort. Plus, it tastes wonderful. For dinner, we had the creamy tomato soup infused with turmeric from my cookbook, the Artistic Vegan Cookbook, with gluten-free flatbread and a new recipe that I converted. I worked all week updating the book so it can be slightly less costly for you now, and it's also available on Kindle and an ebook on my site for a lower cost. The cookbook contains ingredients ideal for everyone for a non-complicated approach. All the recipes are dairy-free, gluten-free, and have nut and oil-free options along the way. Enjoy mouth-watering meals from savory dinners to hearty breakfasts. You can try the cafe chai ice cream, instant zen key lime cheesecake, moist banana bread, cheesy spinach, artichoke omelet, beet burgers, Chinese takeout, the Hermes caduceus pizza, poblano chili, vegan brie cheese, just to name a few. And just for fun, I thought I'd show you a couple clips from our town, getting some fruit and vegetables. I just adore the experience, the people, the streets, the markets, and I wanted you to get a small glimpse. Cornfields are also gorgeous this time of year with the mountains surrounding us. This video was brought to you by the Artistic Vegan Cookbook and 7 Planet Broadcasting with our alchemical elixir of the Anunnaki, where you can get yours today. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content.
Yo, give us the gold, lady, and no one gets hurt.
I am down to my last bottle of Starfire Gold, and by no means is this riffraff gonna take mine. I love this product. Thanks for fixing me up with the good stuff. ArtisticVegan.com and GeraldClark77.com.